Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Volkswagen Amarok, stock number 6084. This ran from the 10th 2010 to 09-2022. It has a CSHA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a CSH 2-litre 4-cylinder diesel turbo engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory aluminium good tyre. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory aluminium good tyre. Right rear tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory aluminium good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front guard, no dents. Right front headlight has sun cracks. Right front 18-inch factory aluminium good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heated AC controls. Factory and touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.